Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new. Today I'm going to show you how I make Jamaican curry chicken. Everybody does something different. This is how I do it. I'm not a chef. I'm just showing you guys what works for me. So if you're interested, keep watching. So I'll be using chicken thighs and I already cut those up. And I'm getting ready to wash my meat so that it's not raw. And for that, I'll be using apple cider vinegar. I'm just going to pour some in and add some cold water. Now it's time that I start adding my seasoning, and I'm just going to start off with some jerk seasoning. It's the hot and spicy one. And I'm just going to take like a teaspoon of that and add it to my chicken. Next, I'm going to be adding some black pepper. I'm just going to sprinkle a fairly decent amount on the chicken. There's no actual measurements to this, just season to your liking. Now I'm adding some turmeric powder, not so much for the taste, but just because of the many health benefits it has. We try to use it every opportunity we get, so majority of the time when I'm making curry, I put it in. So now I'm going to be adding the curry, and just so you know, I'm not adding these in any particular order. I'm just winging it. And I'm using a liberal amount of curry so I can season as much of the chicken as I can with it. Now I'm going to go in with my fresh seasoning. I have onion, garlic, thyme, and scallion. And I'm just going to add that to my meat. Now I'm going to go ahead and massage the seasoning into the chicken, trying to get all the pieces covered so that it will be nicely marinated. And I couldn't tell myself to forget salt. Anyways, I forgot the salt, and I'm using Himalayan pink salt just because it's a healthier option. So I'm just adding that, and I'm going to massage it into the chicken as well. I went ahead and heated up my coconut oil and put curry in the bottom of the pot to burn once the oil was hot. Now I'm adding in the chicken. If you notice, I'm trying to avoid putting a lot of the fresh seasoning in so that I don't burn it, because I'll need it to add to the gravy after. So this is what I have left from the marinade. I'm just going to put this aside until it's time to cook the chicken down and make the gravy. And I'm going to add my sweet peppers afterwards and my scotch bonnet pepper. While the chicken's cooking, I just have some rice steaming because I'm going to have rice with it on the side. So I'm just showing you guys that. So here it's been cooking for a while, and I've added the marinade seasoning, like the onion, the thyme, the lettuce before, and it's almost done, so I'm adding in the sweet peppers. Here's the finished product. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope this was helpful. If you liked it, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe. And if you have any requests for me to make anything else, just leave it in the comments below. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.